How's it going?
Hey, I'm doing okay. What about you?
I'm good, thanks for asking. Listen, I've been thinking about something lately.
Oh, really? What's on your mind?
Well, do you think I make you a better person?
Yeah, I believe you do. You inspire me to be the best version of myself.
That means a lot to hear. But can you give me some specific examples?
Sure. You've taught me to be more patient and understanding in our relationship.
I'm glad to hear that. Anything else?
Yeah, you've also encouraged me to pursue my goals and believe in myself.
That's great! I'm happy to be a source of support for you. But do you think there's anything I could improve on?
Well, sometimes I think you could communicate your feelings more openly. But overall, you're amazing.
I appreciate your honesty. I'll work on expressing myself better. Is there anything else you want to discuss?
Not really, just wanted to let you know how much you mean to me.
Aw, thank you. You mean a lot to me too. Our relationship is important, and I want us to grow together.
Absolutely, we're a team. Together, we can become even better individuals.
I couldn't agree more. Let's keep supporting and challenging each other to be the best we can be.
Definitely. I'm grateful to have you by my side on this journey.
Me too. Well, I should let you go now. Take care, and I'll talk to you soon.
All right, talk to you later. Have a great day.
You too. Bye. Hello?
Hey, how are you doing?
I'm good, thanks. How about you?
I'm all right, just a bit tired. Listen, can I ask you something?
Sure, go ahead.
Do you think I am controlling?
Well, sometimes it feels like you want things done your way, but I wouldn't say you're overly controlling.
Really? I've been worrying about it lately.
I understand your concerns, but I think it's important to have open communication about our preferences and find a balance.
That makes sense. I don't want to be controlling, but I also want my needs to be heard.
I hear you, and I want the same. It's crucial to respect each other's boundaries and work together as a team.
You're right. I don't want to come off as controlling, but I want us to be on the same page.
And we can achieve that by listening to each other, compromising, and finding middle ground.
I appreciate your perspective. It's reassuring to know you understand where I'm coming from.
Of course, I care about our relationship and want us both to be happy and fulfilled.
Thank you for being patient and supportive. It means a lot to me.
You're welcome. We're in this together, and I'm committed to making it work.
I feel the same way. Let's continue to communicate openly and address any concerns as they arise.
Absolutely, that's the best approach. We've got this.
I love you.
I love you too. We'll navigate this together, I promise.
Thanks for talking. It's made me feel a lot better.
Anytime, babe. I'm here for you.
Hello?
Hi, it's me.
Hey, how are you?
I'm good. I was just thinking about something.
What's up?
Well, I was wondering if you've ever thought about what you'll do when your parents get older.
Yeah, I have. I think it's important to take care of them.
Me too. I mean, they've done so much for us, it's the least we can do.
Exactly. I'm not sure what I'll do yet, but I know I'll be there for them.
Me too. It's a big responsibility, but it's also a privilege.
I know. I'm glad we're on the same page.
Me too.
So, what are your thoughts on how we would do it?
Well, I think we would need to figure out what their needs are first. Then, we could start making some plans.
That makes sense. I think we could start by talking to them about what they would want.
Good idea. I'll do that next time I see them.
Okay, I'll do the same.
Thanks. I feel better knowing that we're on the same page about this.
Me too.
I should probably go. I have a lot to do today.
Okay. I'll talk to you later.
Bye.
Bye.